Good evening, student. This is Shubha here, Manager Scholarships from Foundation for Excellence. And today I want to tell you about the student declaration form. All of you would have received an email from Foundation for Excellence asking you to upload the student declaration form. Many of you might have a lot of questions about what it is and what you need to do. So I'm going to explain to you what you need to do through this video. I will be sharing my screen and showing you a sample mail that might have come to you. This is the email that must have reached you. It very clearly states that the student declaration form is a kind of a receipt which we will be providing to the donor, which gives a breakup of what is the amount you have paid for your college, your hostel, if any, and the remaining amount is slated as study from home expenses. Okay. Well, all you need to do is go to this first link, click on the link. It will take you to a page where you can download your student declaration form. Please note that this is specific to this student, Himanshu Kohli. Okay. Click on this download button. A PDF file will get downloaded. If you open the PDF file, it will have the details about your name, your FFU ID, which course and which college you belong to. It also shows what is the college and tuition fee receipts which you have uploaded in your application, the amount which is which is there in the receipts. And since you have not been to the hostel and mess, it is zero. And because you're staying at home, and we would like to provide this amount to cover all these expenses which are incurring because while staying at home and taking the online classes. Okay. So this is the student declaration form. Please take a printout of this form and write your name in this uh, the first blank, and then put your signature and put the date on which you're putting your signature. Okay. Do not modify anything else in this form, uh, especially the amount which is provided here. Okay. Please put your name, put your signature and the date. Okay. Once you're done with it, scan this document, and then you can come back to this email which I was showing you. Click on that, and it will ask you to choose the file and upload. Once you scan it, it should be saved again as a PDF file. And then so you choose the file, go to the particular location, okay, and click on upload. Currently, I'm not clicking because it's not the correct document. Click on upload, the document will reach us. Requesting you again to not modify anything in the student declaration form. I hope I'm clear. This document is a supporting document for your scholarship to provide it to our donors. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye bye.